Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open Lincoln MKZ trunk without key full guide. Start by folding the rear seat using its release, slide into the trunk opening, feel for the emergency trunk release handle, pull firmly to unlatch, then guide the lid up slowly to avoid damage. If the seat release is inaccessible, check for a manual key slot behind the emblem or consult a locksmith for assistance. When the seat release is visible, pull it and fold the seat down to access the trunk space. Reach through the opening with a flashlight, locate the emergency trunk release handle, and pull it toward you. Keep movement steady to avoid snagging upholstery, use gloves if needed, and ask a helper to steady the trunk lid as it opens to prevent sudden drops. Practice this technique slowly until you feel confident and always prioritize safety. Quick recommendation: if this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more tips. On another note, the product seen here makes life easier. Bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers, a handy companion for busy days and trunk trips. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching. I appreciate your support. Now let's get back to the video. If the rear seat method fails, check for a hidden manual key slot behind the trunk emblem or badge by gently prying it off. Insert the key or key blade, turn carefully to unlock, and lift the trunk while supporting it. If there is no slot or the mechanism is stuck, avoid forcing parts. Try lubricating the latch, then contact professional help to avoid costly damage. That protects your vehicle and your wallet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.